Good evening, VV Nation, and welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn Tompkins, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest. Glad to be here. Glad to have you here. On Mondays, I normally give you my top stock picks for the week. This week, it looks like we're finally possibly finding a bottom. I'm going to get you into the market with some undervalued, cheap stocks. I think this is a great time to take advantage of those kinds of stocks, but I don't want you to back up the truck. I want you to dip your toe in the water. I'm going to do it both for the U.S. market and for the Canadian market. Let's start, this is going to be down and dirty to the point, okay? Starting on the VectorVest homepage for the U.S. market, we can clearly see that as I record, all of the main indices are in the green. What else do I like? More yellow than we have red. What else do I like? We have a primary wave up. I'm going to move from the home page and I'm going to get into the graphs. This is the VectorVest composite today over the last 3 days. Hopefully now 2 days ago, this could be the market bottom. Friday, we had a nice up day, one white soldier. What did I look for? Follow through or confirmation. We're getting that today. No wick at the top of today's candle, which tells me that we're still trading at session highs as I record this video. So right now I'm going to give you some fish, but I'm not going to tell you to back up the truck and just go, crazy and just buy stocks. But I am going to have you a list of undervalued stocks less than $10. There's the viewers tab. Here they are. Orla Mining. It's a stock that I've been liking for the past week or so. Many of you have made some money off of it. YRD, PSIX, PLX, and GNW. Notice that every stock has an RV above 1. These stocks have good upside potential. Every stock is undervalued. Every stock, interesting, I said less than $10. I got one stock that's not less than $10. I got to find out why that happened. It's okay, though. But PSIX is in the list as well. RVO's all above 1. 4 out of the 5 have buys. Double-digit earnings growth. Let's take a look at the graphs real quick. Bring this over. Orla, if you're not in it. Now, I'm watching today's activity. I'm noticing that I've got wick at the top. That tells me that people are starting to take profits on the stock, but there's a lot of money out there that could be made. Undervalued, rising value. Man, oh man, look at that volume. There's conviction to the move. I really like this stock. Let's go to the next stock. YRD, Financial Credit Services, bottom left, top right. Look at that, undervalued, nice rising value, a little bit of a wick at the top, but nice open bar. RT is above 1, love the volume. Let's go to the next one. PSIX, undervalued, value rising, move from a sell to a buy. Little wick at the top as I'm looking at the volume. Nice update today as opposed to some of the other days. Keep this on your radar. Let's go to the next one. PLX. Bigger wick forming at the top of the candle. I'm going to give you a level, what I'm really looking for, about $2.76 to really break above. It tried to get there today. Gap up, no fadation of the gap. Nice volume. Keep this one on your radar as well. I don't like the big wick, but I'm not giving up on it. Next one, GNW, undervalued. Value starting to fall a little bit, but definitely undervalued. RT just went back above 1. Last time it had a little short-term move. Keep your eyes on it. Volume is falling off a little bit. Very little wick at the top. Cheap stock. That's my 5 stocks for the U.S. market. All right, let's move over to the Canadian market. Looking at their market today, all of their indices are up. Mixed market. Primary wave up as well. More yellow than green. Now, going to the graph on the Canadian market, never got to a level where it was looking for a bottom, but it's following behind the pullback in the American market. Definitely pullback. Let me zoom in here real quick. A little bit of, again, a bullish candle with follow through today. None of the other indices are above 1, but I do like the move, again, following behind the U.S. market. What I did here is I did the same thing. I found some stocks that were low dollar and undervalued. Undervalued, 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 undervalued. Notice that gold is the main mover. That makes sense. Canada is a resource-rich company, and that's what's moving. APM, EQX, MND, IMG, OGC, a lot of gold stocks. I want you to not put all your eggs into one basket here as well. Find the ones, especially if they're all in the same industry, find the ones, top 2 that you like. Look at them. Here's the top 2 that are moving today. MND up over 9%, APM up over 8%. Again, 4 buys, 1 hold, CIs all above 1, RVs all above 1, all of them are in uptrends. I think I'm putting some good fish in your trough today. Let's go graph these all real quick. Okay, put this on a 3-month graph. Take off the last close and cross here. Nice move on MMD. Little wick at the top of the candle. Gap up, never faded the gap. RT is moving. Volume is okay. Not great, but volume is okay. Let's go to the next one. Whew. APM. No wick at the top of the candle. Nicely moving. Bottom left, top right. A little bit more volatile. RT screaming up. I'd like to see more volume, but I'm okay with this pick. Next one, OGC, found a level of support, moving up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row. Very little wick at the top. Watch volume. RT is above 1. I want to see more conviction to the move, but right now it is moving up. Next one, bottom left, top right, a little bit more volatile. RT screaming up. Volume is okay. I'd like to break above that level of resistance of about 1020. Currently at 989, trending higher. Last stock. IMG found a level of support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days up. Volume is starting to fall. RT is above 1. Stock is back to a buy recommendation. So again, there it is, folks. My top picks for both the U.S. and the Canadian market. Short video. Right now, if the market's starting to move, we did find the bottom in the U.S. market. I want you to get hot and heavy on some of these stocks. Don't back up the truck. Step your foot in. But these are stocks that I feel comfortable with putting in your hands. With that, folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya.